South African late news bring you Exhibit 1. Ntanzi did not confess. We all know that. But let us listen in and hear what Ntanzi had to say during the trial, within the trial.
Ngisho noma inkosi enkantolo kwami signature la okwami ngiqane ngeforce bengiforce ukuthi angisayinele kube mina ngangiforce inkosi enkantolo ngamanje ngisho phambi kwabo ngangeke ngisayinele nto.
And my lord, all that happened from me, it's for me to sign if I was.
Ngisho noma inkosi enkantolo kwami signature la okwami ngiqane ngeforce bengiforce ukuthi angisayinele kube mina ngangiforce inkosi enkantolo ngamanje ngisho phambi kwabo ngangeke ngisayinele nto.
And my lord, all that happened from me, it's for me to sign if I was.
The question is, why did Ntanzi have to sign a second confession? And the answer is simple. State wanted to cook even more because in the first confession they forgot to cook certain facts. So that's why there was a second confession. If Ntanzi confessed the first time around, there was not going to be a need for a second confession. Thank you for watching South African Late News.